Welcome back, guys. Jet Scott here as always, and today we got something really special for you. It's going to be pulling into our driveway right there here pretty soon. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it. What in the world is coming here? That's what I was going to talk to you about. It has arrived. Well, there goes dude. I'm kind of happy he delivered it because that was going to become a messed up deal with everything going on here recently. But let's check this thing out in depth, Dad. What do you think about that? What do you think of my new project car? It needs a little bit.
All right.
It just needs a little bit of work.
It's got pedals back here.
Yeah, the pedals are back here for rear drive, rear braking. So you got a really short person who sits back here.
Yeah.
And see, it's all weight reduced. See that?
With a jack.
That's ours. That's our jack. It is now.
Those are probably kind of pricey.
Oh, it's like a Charger quarter panel extender, so it probably is. And the studs don't look like they're all messed up on it. Hey, you just knocked all the patina out of it, Dad.
Go fast.
So you don't need brakes. See how stiff that is?
Go fast.
That's for that, you know, funky crazy. Look at the full frame on this thing. I can't remember what Chris said this frame is. I think it's GM.
Pickup?
Probably. Huh. This has got a rear cover and a dropout center section. I don't think that's a Ford 9-inch. I'm not sure about that.
Well, it's
rear
got
end.
full floating axles.
Oh yeah, it's a big truck. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, it's a big truck rear end. Which is just cooler than shit. And look at it. Oh, here's the seat, Dad. You want to sit in it?
No.
What?
Look at that shifters.
Yeah, look at them shifters. There's 3 of them.
Is that a lightning rod?
I don't know, but you got fast, faster, and oh Nelly. Oh Nelly's like supersonic.
You gotta remember it's a Ford.
Oh yeah, it's a Ford, so it's
Probably got reverse.
it's probably
Neutral.
just you know. Yeah, you're probably right.
Reverse, neutral, and putt-putt.
Putt. Hey, no, don't ding the door, Dad. This is a primo, you know, Mustang here.
Brazed?
Yeah, that looks like brazing, the way it's corroded. This thing's pretty damn cool. A little bit of body work to do right here. Riveted on. The nails as hood pins. So that way you can't ever take the hood off.
And you can work at your house.
And yeah, if you need a nail, it's right there. No headlights, that's gonna be kind of a problem with the city.
Got tractor tires on it?
Probably. Wheels are turned backwards, I believe. What it looks like. That looks like the back of a wheel.
That looks like a homemade wheel. Look the way it's cut out.
Yeah, it could be.
Well together.
Oh yeah, they probably did for wider. This is just crude, real racing stuff before, you know, you had crazy shit. I mean, just look at them welds. Just look at that. It's amazing.
Look at the angle on it.
I know. This is what a dirt track car would look like if we built it.
Look at this piece of chrome.
This trim, the trim is actually really nice.
I need that chrome.
Yeah. Oh man, this thing's cool. I actually like this, Dad.
I hope he gets it out of here quick.
Yeah, so the truth is this actually belongs to Chris Birdsong over at Junker Up. This car was here in Kansas in Hutchinson, which was like 2 hours and 30 minutes away, and I was gonna go pick this car up for him on Sunday, and the guy happened to be coming through today, so we threw some dollar bills at him and he went ahead and brought it to us, which is perfect because I'm still getting ready for Indy and I don't really have time to go do anything. It just cost me an extra 150 bucks, but it's a good thing Chris sent me some money on this deal, extra cash for me, but I just went ahead and used it. Screw it, we get her paid for. So it's here now, so whenever Chris comes and gets us, it's going to be going back to Las Vegas and he's going to be picking up a car for me in California potentially. So I think that's going to be pretty cool. So yeah, this thing is really badass, Dad. I like this thing. I kind of just want to keep it.
No.
No?
It looks like it used to be yellow.
I got pictures. Chris sent me pictures of what it used to look like, the whole, everything about it, the way it used to be painted. It pretty well-known car around these parts.
Really?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, there's no hood skin, but there's that chain sprocket deal Chris was telling me about. You have to watch that video. So to get faster steering, they took basically a timing chain setup almost, and a sprocket, and a pair of chain, and a chain, and that made the steering quicker or slower, one of the two. Let me see. That would make it. Ah, fuck, I don't know.
It makes it quicker because you got a bigger sprocket on top.
Yeah, so that way you can actually steer faster before all the modern Gacy boy stuff. Oh man, this thing is butchered all to crap, but it's cool. This is when racing was cool, when the race cars were actual cars they converted and not just plastic bodies. Ah. You did good, Chris. You did good. Yeah, I know.
That's half inch.
They built this sucker.
It goes all the way up here.
They built it to take a hit, probably.
This thing's for bumping.
Yeah, for bumping.
Bump drive.
You know, honestly though, it's sad because this thing, well, I mean, look at the body though. I mean, this fender, I mean, if you just look at the fenders and the doors and everything, it's not too bad. That quarter's damaged beyond, that quarter's kind of fucked, but I know Chris can knock that out. Chris will be there for about 5 minutes with a couple hammers and that thing will be brand spanking new. All the rust gone too, with just hammers. Oh man, this thing's cool. I'm just gonna keep on gushing. Oh, and, oh, grab that deck lid, Dad. Put that deck lid on. It's actually a deck lid still. That's a really small trunk lid. I don't know why there's no hood pins on that. How's that gonna stay on there, Dad? How's it stay on there? Go get the drill.
What's behind you is not important.
That is true. What is behind you is not important.
I don't know how this lance got wasted.
That may have happened while he was loading it or something. I don't know. We can probably fix that. Or maybe it's like a rear low spoiler.
Maybe so.
Spoiler out in the back. At the bottom. You know, for windage, drag, coefficient, fancy science crap. Oh well. But there it is, guys. That thing is gonna be cooler than shit. I can't wait to see what Chris does with it. And I definitely can't wait for him to come get it, because I'm gonna start falling in love with it because it looks pretty cool. What do you say about it, Dad?
It's a Ford invading my Mopar lot.
Yeah.
So come get it quickly.
Hope you guys enjoy this little snippet of this really badass old dirt track Mustang. So take care and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.